Hello everybody, it is Charlie Cubes here, and today I'm going to be doing a simple tutorial on how to reassemble any Rubik's Cube that you popped or exploded or you wanted to clean it. And this is just simply how to reassemble it. Now the first thing I do is I sort out all of the pieces. I get all the edge pieces and corner pieces away from each other, so it halves the effort that you have to do to find all the pieces. Now, secondly, what you need to do is you need to find the edge pieces, the corresponding edge pieces, and build up all of the edge pieces first. What I usually do is I build like a ring around the first time so that it's easier to put in the second. So you just make a ring of edge pieces, and this step can be kind of difficult because the edge pieces don't have anything like keeping them in from just slipping out. So this step you have to be kind of careful because all of your progress could just go away if you're unlucky. Okay, first you build the ring and then you set it down like this, and then you build around the edges again, but this time making a different ring. Now the reason I'm using this really messed up color shade dollar store cube is because this is the only cube that I really want to take apart and put back together, and it pops a lot anyway, so this is the cube I'm using. Now this is the most time-consuming process, but once you finish it, it's really easy. Once you finish making all the edge pieces, it's super easy from here. You just have to put in all the corners, and that part's pretty easy. Make sure you don't accidentally put in a corner in the wrong place, because at this point it'd be really hard to take out that piece and not break the entire cube. So make sure you're being really careful where you put it. But once you finish putting in all the corners, like I'm about to here, see right here, if you mess up a piece, you have to just take it out and put it back in to a different place, and that can take a long time, and sometimes you can mess up and it breaks. So make sure to put the pieces in the right place. But once you do all that and you put all of the corners in, the last one can kind of be a pain, so you can take out an edge piece and you can put the corner in, and then finally put in that last edge piece, and you just reassembled your Rubik's Cube. Super fun and easy process. And now I just hope your cube doesn't pop again. Oops. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a good rating and a nice comment. And also, if you like my new setup with this black mat, make sure to leave a like and comment why you like it. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the flip side.